Hi, my name is Tom Kitch. I'd like to sing Lynyrd Skynyrd's song Free Bird, written by Alan Collins and Ronnie Van Zant, recorded first in 1973, released in 1974. Their signature song, the song everyone wants to hear by Lynyrd Skynyrd, Free Bird. If I leave here tomorrow, would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. There's too many places I've got to see. 'Cause if I stayed here with you, girl, things just wouldn't be the same. For I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. No, and this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Bye-bye, it's been a sweet love, though these feelings I can't change. Yeah, please don't take it so badly. Lord knows I'm to blame. 'Cause if I stayed here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you'll never change. No, and this bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Lord knows I can't change. Lord help me, I can't change. Lord, I can't change. Won't you fly high, free bird? And then it's followed by one of rock's truly great guitar solos and make that song. It's their lengthiest song in live concerts. I hope you like my singing. My name is Tom Kitch, Tomkitch. You can write to me on the computer at tomkitchmusic@yahoo.com, all small case letters. Or you can send me a picture postcard from your hometown or from anywhere on the road to my P.O. Box, 81442, San Diego, California, 92138, United States of America.